Hi guys, so today let's talk about investor or a trader. You have to know, why do I bring about this investor or a trader? Because a lot of times there are people that are just mere investors or want to be investors, but they are confusing them to being a trader. Now, what is an investor? An investor in the Forex is someone who gives another person his money for that person to trade, either a company or a retail trader, for them to trade it for them. So an investor necessarily doesn't have to know what is happening inside the market. Like, he doesn't have to actually know when to buy, when to sell, or how to even analyze, because he has already entrusted his money to someone who will do that to him. Now, for being a trader is someone who analyzes, who makes his entry, who makes his exit, and manages his money. So these are two different things. Most of the times people want to be traders instead of them to be investors. And why do I say so? Is because being a trader requires a lot of time and dedication and management. So you cannot be doing, let's say, a 9 to 5 and being a full-time trader. Like, that focus should be, no, one will have to go, because honestly being a trader requires a lot of time. Not even the learning stages, even the fact that you are trading, a lot of times you need to manage your trade. So imagine if you are doing a 9 to 5 that engages your time and you are trying to be a full-time trader, you keep losing money and you think you are not getting it right. No, you are supposed to be an investor because you don't have time to study, time to manage, time to make a lot of things. So I see a lot of people, they want to be traders, even pay for signals. Now, these signals is something that, if you claim to be a trader and you pay for signals and you still don't have time, most of the times you will actually be entering into your signal when it is late because you don't have time. You are supposed to be an investor. Now, by being an investor, you will have opportunities of either giving somebody your money, somebody entrusted, somebody professional, or a company or a brokerage, a trading company, right? Or you create an account and there's what we call a copy trading. A copy trading is just basically your account attached to a professional and profitable trader's account. So automatically anything that person does, your account also does that. Anything, both the management of the funds, is just as if copy trading is just as if, let me write it down, copy trading is basically for investors. Copy trading is just basically like, will I say a van and a truck, or will I say a truck and a house that was attached to the truck? You see, the house is not driving itself, but the house is attached to the truck. So anything the truck does, the house is moving to. So this is copy trading. Now, this copy trading is basically for investors. That's if you want to also be seeing what's happening with your money and everything, but you are not basically stressing to analyze, to do anything, because anything that account you copied your account to does, your account also does that. So, but most of the time people want to be traders instead of them to be investors. Being a trader is not easy. It's very, 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 very complicated, and you need to be dedicated to really understand what's happening before you even start trading. So that's what people fall into. They tend not to know what to do or where to be. So if you don't have time to learn how to trade, you mustn't be a trader. You can be an investor, and you find someone either through your brokerage, their accounts, that you can copy their trades. People that already have a certain win rate percentage. So it's not like you can just copy anybody's account. No, you see the percentage of wins. There are people that have 80% win rate, 90%, 70% win rate. Now, these people, when you copy your accounts to their accounts for a certain percentage, definitely you make profit without stress. And for that period of time, you keep learning and learning, because your account's already been copied. So you can actually see what's happening there. So being an investor and a trader, they are two different things. Every trader is an investor, but not every investor is a trader. I hope I'm making sense there, because every trader can decide to just enter a trade, and after analyzing, and maybe it's a long-term trader, maybe he was swinging or she was swinging, that's, you enter a trade for like weeks, months. You see that it's more of like an investment, but you actually analyze that chart, you actually knew what's happening, or you're actually managing it. But not every investor is a trader, because some don't even know how to analyze, some don't even know what's really happening, because you've already entrusted your money to someone to do that for you because you can't do it. So these are two different things. So always know where you are at. Like I said, if you have something engaging you like 9 to 5, trading is not for you. Investing is better for you. You can do that trading, but trust me, a lot of times people who do that, they tend to keep losing money, because they don't have that time. And they never had the information to know which one was much more better for them. So if you listen to my advice, I think if you don't have time, if you are engaged in other things, you should be an investor. Even me as a trader, when I don't have time, I kind of invest. Like, I look for trades that will keep me in for like 3 for 1 week, trades that I won't be bothered about immediately, trying to manage them instantly, So when I don't have time and I have to trade, or I want to trade, I just swing my trades. I'm a swinger too sometimes. So this is it for being an investor or a trader. You have to know the difference, then you know which to pick. Thank you.